In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website in Prestashop. In order to do that, first head over to prestashop.com and from there, click on this Get Started option. Once you have done that, you should be able to see the offers that they have. So for this, click on the Show Offers. For my case, we have Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. On this case, let's choose the free trial of Hosted and click on this Discover. Once you have clicked on that, it should be able to show you the hosted offer right here that comes with pre-installed Prestashop Starter. For this, click on the Start Free Trial, and from in there, it should be able to redirect you to the onboarding of Prestashop. Click on this Create Prestashop account, and from in there, you should be able to create it directly from there. Just proceed to register using your details, or you can also create an account with Google. From in there, you'll be asked about the name of your store or your website. So for example, let's just name this Tiara Store. Just right here the country of operation. I'll head over and choose right here United States. And then you can see that here the preview of your URL. Click on continue. And then from in there, just input right here your payment details that you wish to use. We have annual subscription and monthly subscription. And it will start after a free 14-day trial period. So just choose right here which one you want to use. I'll head over and just choose this one without obligation. So once you have chosen and actually checked out everything, you should be able to create the website directly with the actual details that we have provided. So you can choose right here which one you want, choose right here how you want to pay. As of right now, it's actually zero. Just input right here your card number. You can also choose PayPal for the payment right here. So just proceed with the things that you need added right there and you should be able to have your website on PrestaShop. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.